Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make smoked chicken in the Green Mountain Grill. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. For today's seasoning, we're going to use lemon pepper seasoning, thyme, Pollo Asado seasoning from Lawry's, paprika, cayenne pepper, brown sugar, garlic powder, sea salt, and pepper. As you can see, I've mixed in all my seasonings and I've created my own barbecue rub. I'll put all the measurements in the description box below. I have about a 5.5 pound chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle it with some olive oil. Make sure you take out the gizzard and the heart that's inside of the chicken. You don't need any of that. And when you put the olive oil, you wanna make sure you get under the skin as well, so that it's all nice and crispy. Then we're gonna grab our seasoning, and you just wanna make sure you put it all over your chicken. Same thing as with the olive oil, you wanna make sure you get inside of the skin. Alright, now that I have my chicken fully coated, I'm going to preheat my smoker to 260 degrees. It's optional, but what you can do as well is brine the chicken 24 hours prior to cooking the chicken. Alright, so I set the temperature to about 275 degrees. Now we're going to put our chicken inside, and we're going to put our probe in the thickest part of the chicken, probably the chicken breast. And you want to get it to an internal temperature of 175 degrees. Alright guys, we've got this right where we want it, 174, 175 degrees. Now we're going to open it up, and here's our amazing smoked chicken. We're going to pull it out. We're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. We want to make sure the juices have time to settle. You don't want to cut into it right away. And then we're going to serve. Right, now we're going to cut into our chicken. Now what I like to do is put some of these wonderful juices right on top of our chicken. Just look. Super juicy. Now we're ready to eat. And there you guys have it, smoked chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.